Hello and welcome to English with Sophia. This podcast is made for English learners who want to speak with more confidence, more comfort, and more joy. My name is Sophia, and I am very happy you are here with me today. My goal is simple. I want to help you speak English in a natural way. I want English to feel friendly, not scary. I want it to feel like something you can really use in your daily life. I will speak slowly and clearly. You can listen carefully. You can pause the audio. You can repeat after me. You can listen again and again. You do not need to rush. Step by step, day by day, you will improve. Today's topic is very simple but very powerful. We are going to talk about how to practice English every single day. Many learners believe something that is not true. They believe they must move to an English-speaking country to speak English well. They think if I go to the UK, America, or Australia, then I will speak fluently. But this is not always true. You do not need to live in London. You do not need a native speaker sitting next to you. You do not need to study grammar for 3 hours every night. What you really need are small actions. Small actions that you can repeat every day. Small actions that fit into your real life. Small actions that slowly build your confidence. When you take small steps every day, English becomes easier. It becomes more natural. And you start to feel less afraid of speaking. Now let's begin with an important technique. Shadowing, a powerful daily habit. First, let's talk about shadowing. Maybe you have heard this word before. Maybe it is new for you. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve both listening and speaking at the same time. Shadowing means this. You listen to someone speaking English, and you repeat the words immediately. You do not wait. You do not translate in your mind. You do not stop to think about grammar. You just copy the sound. You try to speak at the same speed. You try to copy the same tone. You try to copy the same rhythm. It is like an echo. The speaker talks and you follow like a shadow. At first, shadowing may feel strange. You may feel uncomfortable. You may think, I don't understand everything. That is okay. That is normal. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It is about training your ears. It is about training your mouth. It is about helping your brain and your voice work together. Even if you practice shadowing for only 5 minutes a day, you will see changes. You will start to speak faster. Your pronunciation will become clearer. Your mouth will feel more relaxed when you speak English. This is a small habit, but it gives big results. You don't need a perfect life to practice English. Many students tell me the same things again and again. They say, I want to learn English, but I don't have time. They say, I am always busy. They say, I feel nervous when I speak. They say, I don't know how to start. My answer is always the same. You do not need a lot of time. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need the perfect moment. You just need to begin. Even 1 minute is okay. Even one sentence is okay. What matters is that you practice every day. Now, let me share simple and practical ways to practice English in your real life. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. If you want to speak English well, you must listen to English often. Listening is the foundation. Without listening, speaking is very difficult. You should listen every day. Not once a week. Not only in class. Every single day. You can listen to podcasts like this one. You can listen to English music. You can watch YouTube videos. You can listen to short stories or simple news. You do not need to understand everything. Do not worry about that. Even if you understand only 30% or 50%, it still helps your brain. You can listen while you walk. You can listen while you clean. You can listen while you cook. You can listen while you rest. Just 10 or 15 minutes a day can change your English. Make English your background sound. Tip 2. Repeat what you hear. Listening is important, but speaking is how you grow. After listening, use your voice. When you hear a sentence, repeat it. Copy the sound. Copy the rhythm. Copy the feeling. Repeat the same sentence many times. Do not worry about mistakes. Perfection is not the goal. Practice is the goal. When you repeat daily, your speaking becomes smoother. Your pronunciation improves. You feel more confident. Tip 3. Think in English. One of the biggest changes you can make is to start thinking in English. At first, this is difficult. Your brain wants to translate. But translation slows you down. So start very small. In the morning, think. It is morning. I am sleepy. I need coffee. When you walk outside. The sky is blue. The weather is hot. I see a dog. During the day. I am working. I am tired. I want to go home. These are simple thoughts, but they are very powerful. They help your brain connect directly to English. Later, you can say these sentences out loud. You can whisper. You can speak quietly. It is like talking to yourself in English every day. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading silently is good, but reading aloud is much better. When you read aloud, your mouth, tongue, and brain work together. This is very important for speaking. Choose easy materials. Children's books. Short stories. Simple dialogues. Read slowly first. Then read again a little faster. Then read again with feeling, like an actor. This builds fluency and confidence. Tip 5. Use English in daily life. If you want to speak English well, do not only study English. Live with English. Make English part of your daily routine. Change your phone language to English. You see English words many times a day without trying. Words like settings, download, update, and delete become familiar. This is passive learning, and it is very effective. Tip 6. Write a short diary. Writing helps organize your thoughts. You do not need to write long paragraphs. Write 3 short sentences each day. Today I worked. I was tired. I watched an English video. 5 minutes a day is enough. Over time, your sentences become better and more natural. Tip 7. Record your voice. This is one of the best ways to build confidence. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute every day. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Talk about your feelings. Mistakes are okay. No one else needs to hear it. When you listen to yourself, you learn what to improve. Tip 8. Join online English groups. You do not need a classroom. You can practice online. Join WhatsApp groups, Telegram channels, Facebook groups, or apps like Tandem. Write messages. Send voice notes. Read what others write. English becomes a way to connect with people, not just a subject. Tip 9. Use short videos. Short videos are very helpful. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are full of simple English. Watch a short video. Watch it again. Pause and repeat the sentences. Copy the tone and speed. Even 20 seconds can be great practice. Make English part of who you are. Use English in small ways. Say good morning in English. Write your to-do list in English. Watch a few minutes of English videos each day. Small actions create strong habits. Strong habits create confident English speakers. When English becomes part of your life, it no longer feels like homework. It feels natural. That is when real fluency begins. Thank you for listening. See you next video. Bye for now.